My name is Tarasik. Muscles?
Yeah.
This is fake? Wait, no. This is for sound.
This is too much for you.
What's up guys, Tarasik is ready to prank people in the gym. Subscribe to my channel, party like it, write a comment, enjoy your watching. So guys, let's go in the gym. Wow. Sorry brother.
It's okay.
Oh man. Oh man. What is this? It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry. Excuse me, ma'am. My name is Tarasik. I can check here. Is this barbell?
Okay, no problem.
My name is Tarasik.
My name is
I can check. Is this barbell? I'm sorry.
Okay.
My name is Tarasik.
Yeah, muscle?
Muscle?
Yeah.
Muscles?
Yeah.
Muscles? I'm warriors. Wow. This barbell is fake. Camera? This for sound. This is fake? Wait. No? It's really? Wait. Don't worry, I'm check this barbell. 1 minute. This normally? Okay. No worries. 1 minute.
Okay.
This for sound. I want big biceps, brother.
Yeah. Yeah, because I didn't start too much time.
My motivation, Arnold Schwarzenegger. You know?
Yeah, trust me. Yeah.
No. Okay. Triceps, biceps.
Yeah, it's from training, yeah.
Bodybuilder,
No,
powerlifter,
I'm
Power
training for
build.
myself.
You like it? Protein?
Yeah, I eat a little bit protein.
I try this weight. Man.
But you know, before you start with this, if you are new, before you start this, you need to try the smaller ones.
I'm check here this barbell 1 minute.
Only 1 minute.
Oh, okay. I'm try this more weight. I'm try more weight. Okay.
More?
Yeah.
Try this first.
When you don't start with the small ones, okay? You try.
I'm stand.
Maybe no?
Okay.
This is too much for you.
No. I'm
Stop your...
really. It's big weight.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but
Okay, bros. This barbell, it's okay. You try. Oh, my name is Tarasik.
Alright.
You strong. Yeah? Again.
Yeah.
Bye. Oh, I'm sorry. My name is Tarasik. I'm check here this barbell.
You training?
No, I'm check. Sorry, brother. My name is Tarasik.
I'm here.
I'm check here this barbell. No problem.
No problem.
It's very interesting.
This for sound. I'm check. It's really?
Really?
It's not plastic.
No.
Okay. Okay. Oh, is this metal?
Maybe.
Okay. Big biceps, bro. Can you touch? Oh, wow. Well, I'm works in the gym 2 years.
Maybe this because it's very good for you.
No. I wanna try this barbell.
You try it before?
Maybe.
Maybe this way?
Maybe. It's normally. You need. I'm like a big weight deadlift.
I don't know, but you...
I wanna try this barbell. Just check. Maybe
Very
stand.
careful, very careful.
I'm trying this weight.
No, bro, this is big.
I'm trying.
No.
No. Back. Yes.
Back. I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Okay.
I go.
Very good. You're strong man.
It's really wide.
It's not easy.
It's good barbell. Nice to meet you.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you too.
Good day.
Okay, bro.